Hello everyone, in this video I will show you AliExpress promo codes, best deals and discount in this video. Right, so whenever you just open the AliExpress from our link here, you will get this, dollar express 3 4 from $2.59, right? Extra 20% off. So of course you will get a lot of deals here, and here you can see this is a fall saving last chance to grab these deals here, and you can see the discount is pretty crazy. For example, in the here it is this cost around $16, and it is not costing you even $1, but you can consider this $1, right? Of course, but that is 99 cents. And here this is one of the best things. So for example, if I just go and click on any of this here, which is 70% off here, and if you scroll down more, you will get 50% off, and three items you can choose any one of them, which is for around $3, that is 20% off, right? So this is one of the biggest deal here, and let's say I just want this one of this product here. I will just go and click on it, and then I will be redirected to that product page, and here you can see this is a collection page here, and here we are. So you can just go and click on see preview, and you can add that product in your cart just like how you shop on other e-commerce websites. And while adding any of the product, you will see free return and fast delivery here, and you can just, if you cross some amount limit here, you will get around free delivery on all the products, right? And then you can just go to the checkout, and in the checkout section here you have to log in with your ID, and here there's already added promo codes here, so you don't need to find any of the promo codes. And if you're looking for the promo codes in this video, then I will not give you, because it's already added in the checkout, and there's a mega sale which is going on the AliExpress, and it's become a lot easier to get the products, right? And this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.